As we get comfortably seated in any seated posture, with our spine upright, shoulders tucked back of the head in line with the spine, eyes gently closed, we try to slowly withdraw our mind to visualize our mom, mother-in-law, maybe their mom or dadi, nani. If you're finding this difficult, you can visualize yourself as a mom or all together. As we've gathered today here, let's take a moment to honor not just the mothers who brought us into this world, but the nurturing essence that resides within each and every one of us as mothers. As we do breath work today, in the rhythm of our breath, let us find the echoes of our mother's love, the steady cadence of their care, guiding us through life's twists and turns. Let us inhale and inflate our abdomen like a balloon. Let us exhale nice and long with a smile. We've gathered here today incidentally on Mother's Day or coincidentally on Mother's Day. We are not honoring only the moms who brought us into this world, but every mom's nurturing a sense that resides within each and every one of us. Let our rhythmic breaths, which we do every morning on weekdays, Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 8:05, find their echoes, their mummy's love. Let the steady cadence of their guiding care take us through life's every twist and turn, every situation that happens. The first person we think of is mommy, mother, ma. Let us breathe in gratitude for the endless sacrifices they have made. Not only our mom, not only our mother-in-law, not only us, not only our dadi or nani or grandmom or great-grandmom, but every mother, every mother in that gaon, in that district, in that city, in that metropolis, the endless sacrifices they've made. Let the breath start getting bigger and better, longer and more intense. Their unconditional love, which they have shown or not shown, the unwavering support that they have provided. Today, as we embark on our journey of self-discovery, all through our breaths, let's carry with us the profound wisdom and boundless love of our mothers. For they are the guardians of our spirits. Happy Mother's Day to all the incredible mothers out there, both near and far, both alive or dancing with the other mothers and angels in heaven. May their love continue to inspire and nourish us. Whether it is tears of joy or laughter, big breaths in gratitude. Inhale, inflate the abdomen like a balloon. Exhale, bring it back to normal. Mentally or aloud, say, "Love you, Mom," to the mother-in-law, or the mom, or the nani, dadi, great-grandmom, great-grand-nani, or to yourself as a mother. Make the breaths bigger. Happy Mother's Day to all the incredible mothers out here. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms near and far. May their love continue to inspire and nourish us all. And may our love continue to inspire and nourish our children. Holding the photograph of your mom, mother-in-law, or both. Staring at them now slowly with open eyes. Start with Kapalbhati, active exhalations. Eyes are open and staring at the mommies. Celebrating moms with Kapalbhati, active exhalations. Mom wants children to have Dirgha Ayushya, long life. And Dirgha Ayushya, long life, can happen with Kapalbhati. Look at them. Smile. They don't want us crying. They want us happy. They're also dancing with the angels if they are in the heavens. With every active exhalation, pull the abdomen in. If this Kapalbhati, looking at your mommies, is making you emotional and bringing tears, let them be tears of joy and happiness. Smiles, let them be smiles. Add inhalations to this to make this pranayam a bhastrika, the bellows breath. You can dance to looking at your mothers now. Continue, full force. Don't worry if you have blood pressure. Don't worry if you have hypertension. Don't worry if you have any carpal tunnel syndrome. Don't worry if you have any gut health problem or irritable bowel syndrome. Don't worry about anything. Just smile and do Bhastrika. Mommies are always ready to take our pain. So while you're doing this, say, Ja mommy le ja, you will be able to get rid of my pain faster. Ja mommy le ja. Emotional pain, financial pain, monetary pain, any pain. Look at mom. You know how we see in movies and serials? Mommy selling away their bangles or their Mangal Sutra and keeping the money in one potli like that because she wants to educate her children or get that keyboard or the piano for the child. These are mommies. So just say, Leja, mommy, Leja. You will be able to overcome my pain faster. Discontinue Kapalbhati. Close your eyes. Keep the photograph aside. Watch your breath. Don't do anything else. Just watch your breath. Consciously take awareness of cool air going up into the nostrils and warm air coming down without changing the breath. Keep the breath the same. Don't change it. Dwell on the area between the upper lip and the nostrils. अपने ऊपर वाले ओंठ और नासिका के बीच में ध्यान दे. अपनी सांस पर सांस को देखे मन की आंखों से. सांस अंदर जा रही है, सांस बाहर आ रही है. See how beautifully your breath nurtures you just like a mother. Breath has the same qualities as a mother has. A nurturing essence that resides within each breath. In the rhythm of our breath, we find the echoes of our mummies and we find the sounds of our breath so hum. Their steady cadence, their love, their care, as our breaths guide us through life's twists and turns. Let us breathe in gratitude not only for the sacrifices of our moms or ourselves, but for what this breath did, and this, and this, and this. As we embark on our journey of self-discovery through breaths together, with me mentoring you, with my tribe, with my community, for our accountability. Watch the breath. अपनी सांस पर सांस पे ध्यान दे. जैसी माँ वैसी सांस. Now do Samavritti Pranayam, equal breath, something which helps us release stress and come back to our base. It develops a good awareness of our breath, fully involving the mind. It is a very good concentration exercise. It finds balance in the mind. And it is very good whenever we are low, anxious, depressed, and when we have trouble sleeping. Inhale to a count of 7. Exhale to a count of 9. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. सांस लीजिए 7 तक, सांस छोड़िए 9 तक. पूरक, रेचक. Continue. Very intensified awareness on the count. We're celebrating Mother's Day today. Those not only who brought us into this world, but honoring each and every mother's nurturing nature. And currently in that we are doing equal breath, Samavritti Pranayam, ratio 7:9. Last round. And on finishing this last round, we immediately move to what is called humming bee breath, Brahmari Pranayam. Listening inwardly to the sound of our own breath is very restorative. अब जब मैं बेनिफिट्स बोलूंगी आप सोचोगे बीजल इतना बोल रही हो तुम, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. इसलिए इतना ही कहती हूँ, हर एक स्लीप डिसऑर्डर में इस तरह के प्राणायाम के फॉर्मूलाज बहुत ही हेल्प करते हैं. दे रिवर्स इनन्यूमरेबल प्रॉब्लम्स, दे काम द इमोशंस, दे रिलीव एंगर एंड एंजाइटी, they reconnect us to our nurturing rhythmic pulse within our own being. Regular practice immediately will bring back a well-being in our sleep disorders. Inhale fully, plug the ears close, make a humming sound, exhaling. Continue. Last round, Brahmari Pranayam. Humming bee to reverse all sleep disorders, or to guide you in reversing others. If you want financial freedom, you can launch this as your course. Discontinue and then bring the right hand in Nasagraha Mudra, index finger, middle finger at the thumb joint. Close the right nostril, inhale from the left. Close the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Alternate nostril breathing, Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. This practice purifies the energy channels, that is the nadis, and balances the flow of energy between the left and the right sides of the body. हम अब अनुलोम विलोम कर रहे हैं, alternate nostril. बाई नासिका से सांस ले, दाई नासिका से छोड़े, दाई नासिका से सांस ले, बाई नासिका से छोड़े. It is very beneficial when you need to recenter yourself. Depression, anxiety, low feeling, acidity, कुछ भी हो तब धीरे से अनुलोम विलोम करते जाएं तो हम मेडिटेटिव होते जाएंगे. To this, slowly and gradually rub inhaled and exhaled air in the throat pit so that you're doing Ujjayi, which has its own innumerable benefits. Can be done in your asana practices throughout the day, in your sleep, consciously, unconsciously. करते रहें. उज्जय का मतलब है विक्टोरियस. उज्जय breath. Open your mouth wide if you are a beginner. Keep it closed if you are a regular practitioner to do Ujjayi. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let there be friction in your throat pit. Gala Swasan hai Ujjayi. Victorious breath. Rub properly. Reverse all thyroid problems. Reverse mucus from the throat, cough, cold, congestion, dryness in the voice, fears associated with finances and relationships. लंबी लंबी सांस करें. दीर्घ प्राणायाम for दीर्घ आयुष्य. We do food meditation, hydrotherapy. We do aromatherapy, pranayam. All this also in Ujjayi. Facial yoga in Ujjayi we do. Victorious Ujjayi. It's a very, very warming and nurturing one. For those who have throat problems, they can even do their urine rubbings on the throat and do Ujjayi. Discontinue Anulom Vilom Pranayam in Ujjayi. And then let's begin as roaring tigeresses on Mother's Day. Any seated posture, palms on the knees. Reverse problems of suppression. If there is anyone bullying you, talking loudly, scolding you in anger, today is the day to get rid of it. Palms on the knees, elbows out. Inhale fully in Ujjayi. And roar like lionesses in eyebrow. Bhum Madhya Mudra. Went out. Ja, ja, ja. Chal hut, get lost. To suppression, not being able to express. Yes, a chal hut attitude is required when anyone is bullying you, when anyone insults or humiliates you, when anyone is angry on you. Just do a chal hut, lion, sihi garjana breath. Inhale in Ujjayi. Hold the inhalation. That was a warming breath. Notice the heat. It happens more with the abdominal Agnisar that one does. And that is, here goes. Inhale, exhale, abdomen out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Inhale, exhale, abdomen out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And then roar. You can do this aloud or quietly. You can do this like पूरे घर को हिला दिया or just in your own aura, in your own energies, in your own sheets, in your own koshas. Keep this simple. Don't get waylaid and confused by other explanations. And then cool down. Shitali pranayam with a twist. Pun intended. Twist ho jaiye. Roll your tongue. Inhale. Bring it as out as possible. And exhale with an Om chant. Other side. Acidity, acid refluxes, यहाँ तक आता है खाना etc. problems are reversed with cooling Shitali pranayam. It also reduces excessive hair fall, alopecia reversal, darkening of the skin, especially when there is a hormonal imbalance. Continue. Breath work with a twist. Very, very potent, very, very restorative, very cooling. Dirgha pranayam, ujjayi, pranayams with om exhalations, lion's breath, anulom vilom pranayam, kapalbhati, bhastrika are what we did. And then the cooling one with a twist. And a twist to resolve gastric issues, digestive concerns. Utilize deep diaphragmatic breathing when you're breathing. Our breath is so special, it serves us as a bridge to our nervous system. Continue. Keep twisting. Discontinue Shitali pranayam. Keep eyes closed. Visualize once again these breaths nurturing you to do any breath work from today's takeaways. Kapalbhati or Bhastrika or Anulom Vilom, making your own formulas. Watch how magically your formula is happening